Okay guys, check this out. We're working on this big truck, full inside out. It's gonna take us probably the
rest of our shift.
The rest of the day, yeah.
The rest of our shift. Look at this tire, man. That's how dirty. Look at that. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. So yeah, here's what the interior looks like. It's pretty dirty. It's gonna take a little bit. I think is this the King Ranch edition?
This is a King Ranch, yeah.
King Ranch edition. So check this out, guys. So Ford actually makes a zombie apocalypse edition of their Super Duty truck. So fact of the day, never knew that was a thing, but now I do, and now you do. Let's go. We're doing the inside now. We just started. Boys are still working on the outside. Let's go.
Hey, my name's Will, and I'm just wiping the panel.
Alright, check it out, guys. Tornado and all this, right?
Yeah, I did.
Tornado. Look at that.
Look at my arms.
Oh!
Okay, yeah.
A little bit dirty.
Pretty dirty.
The dirt comes off the Tornador
Onto my face,
the face,
and onto my arms.
and the arms. All right, guys, we're probably about halfway done this right now. We just wiped down all the panels. They're all looking great, the doors and everything. And yeah, we're gonna go to vacuuming soon. Let's go. Look at this guy, Uber eating a hat.
Oh, not only a hat.
Shorts, dude.
Shorts, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Cause my freaking dogs eat all my freaking clothing.
Yo.
Are you recording right now without my consent?
Yeah.
Can you next time give
You
me
didn't sign.
I didn't sign the waiver, so I don't want to be in this video.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Because if this does get uploaded, I will call Susan from YouTube, the owner.
Oh.
That's her name, Susan, if you didn't
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
Because I have called her before.
Oh.
Because if I am on YouTube, no, demonetized right there.
This guy's looking fresh.
Holy.
Uber eating his clothes over, dude. Woo! What are you doing to the seats here?
So I'm using leather conditioner, trying to restore it.
Even just from here to there.
Can you actually see
Yeah,
it in
you
the
can
camera?
actually see it in the camera, the difference. Already.
This is a $100,000 detail right now.
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna give you a little montage of this thing because we just finished it and it looks looking sick. So let's cue the montage.
So I just heard some news. 70% of the people watching our videos aren't subscribed. We need to fix that ratio. We're gonna fix that ratio right now. You see that little red button? Click that and subscribe, and always try to drop a like on our videos. We appreciate that so much. And that's why we keep pushing out content, because we want our viewers to be thoroughly entertained and we want us to have fun at work. So keep watching. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, remember, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, because we don't really care. And that's it for the day, guys. Let's go.